It has now come to light that birds also divorce each other. The reason for divorce among birds is exactly the same as human beings. The most prominent reason being promiscuity. Being promiscuous, as you know, means having multiple relationships. And just like in humans, in birds also, male promiscuity is the predominant reason for divorce, not female. I think this was the case till recently among humans as well. But then today one can't be too sure whether it's male promiscuity or female promiscuity. Anyway, now that the birds have started imitating the humans, it seems other animals are following suit. So be ready for a lot of crazy information, which might completely baffle you. So watch out for bird divorces in your compound, and check out the reasons why. In fact, you can observe whatever I said by watching their behavior. Check it out. Thank you very much.